These biscuits are from the legend herself, Dolly Parton. Today we're making her very own family recipe and we're raising the biscuit to old Dolly. Let me show you how you can too. Okay, now the very first thing we're going to do is we got some sifted flour. We're going to put it right down here and we do our dry ingredients first. 2 cups flour, sifted. This is all purpose. 1 tablespoon baking powder. 1/4 of a teaspoon baking soda. 1 teaspoon salt. Okay, 5 tablespoons of shortening. Mix the shortening and the dry ingredients. 1 cup buttermilk. I made this with a little bit of lime juice and milk. Now mix it up. Now set this aside. Now set some saran wrap down. Now plop that biscuit dough down. Now just fold this over, kind of wrap it up here. Now we're going to put this in the fridge for about 20 minutes. And while this is hanging out in the fridge, preheat your oven to 450. Here we got our nice cool dough. We're going to put a little bit of flour down and then we're going to roll it out. Okay, now roll it out until it's about 1/2 inch or so thick. All right, now cut as many of these babies out as you can with a biscuit cutter. And we're going to pop these in the oven. After about 15 minutes or so, they should look like this. While they're still hot, let's smear them with a little bit of butter. All right, this is what we ended up with. Didn't take too long, maybe 30 minutes in total. Let's go ahead and give them a try. Wow, this is so good, man. Thank you, Dolly, for this biscuit recipe. I hope you rest easy. We'll see you next time right here on Robbins Recipes.